Good YouTube, Sneaky here on the feed over here with another review video. Today I got the Nike Air Cough Drop Foamposite. I don't know, I've worn these a couple of times, but still they're pretty dead stock. So let's get into the review. Classic Nike box. You got size 12 Nike Air Foamposite 1, retail $200. Here's a quick review on the shoe. First of all, as you can see, we got that black shell all around the shoe. Right here, we got the black and red penny logo and the black and red pull tabs as on the front and back. You got your nubuck and mesh over here. You got your red and black laces, can't really see them, but on the back you got your red and black penny logo. On the side you got your carbon fiber plate, as on the other side. The bottom says Nike Air up here. You got your carbon fiber plate right there, 2 plates. You got your red and black penny logo, and you got your red semi-transparent sole with your black traction on the bottom. And that's just about it. Great shoe, very comfortable. Runs kind of small though, fits your feet. Snug, so definitely advise getting these. Great shoe.